Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Waqas Taslim and you can watching the brilliant learning skills. Guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that the next video can reach you easily. Guys, here I am again with the video. In this video we will learn how we can operate the generator and how we can check the controller parameters and how we can check the generator's major parts and sensor. Guys, let's go to the video. Guys, this is our control panel DSE 4520 controller. This is the breaker. You have connect here your power cables, and this is the control panel. Here is the DC control breakers, relay and terminal blocks. And guys, this is the main alternator, and you can see this main engine and fuel system, and this is the radiator. And guys, this is the control module. We will guide you each and every three parameters. And on the left side, emergency stop push button. If you have any emergency, you can push this button and generator is automatically emergency stop. And on the right side, DC control switch, you can push on, the controller is on, and you can on the left side push off, controller is off. Guys, this is the control module. On the left side, two arrows, you can press these arrows and you can go on next pages. And guys, on the bottom side, three buttons: stop, autos and start. One stop button is you can stop your generators, and you can reset this button from any alarm. And another middle of the button auto, you have, if you have any your auto application, generator is automatically start and automatically stop. And another plus green button is start. You can start your generator from this start button and smoothly your operation. And guys, next we will guide you controller all parameters. Guys, this is the home page line to neutral voltages, and this is the home page line to line voltages. This is the line to neutral generator voltages, and this is the line to line generator voltages, and this is the frequency of generator. And guys, if you connect main, this is the line to neutral main voltages and line to line main voltages, and this is the frequency of main. And here is your ampere, and this is your ampere percentage, and this is the L1, L2, L3 kilowatt, and this is the total kilowatt and total kilowatt percentage. And this is the three-phase kVA, and this is the total kVA. Next is three-phase kVR and total kVR, and another this L1, L2, L3 power factor and total power factor. This is the kilowatt hours and other hours. This is the generator RPM. This is the generator total running hour, and this is the battery voltage and dynamo voltages, and this is the water temperature. And next is oil pressure center value. This is the time and date, and this is the firmware and controller engine model. And guys, this is the controller backside overview, and here is the all control wire is connecting. And guys, this is the self starter and fuel incoming filter, and this is the dynamo motor for charging, and this is the water temperature sensor. And you can see we can connect here water temperature sensor wires. And guys, this is the air filter, and this is the complete engine fueling system. Here is the fuel pump and oil filter, water fuel filter. And guys, you can check here oil level, and this is the fuel inlet and oil outlet pipe. And guys, this is the battery. This is the major part of generator. We can start the generator from this battery. And this is the fuel incoming point. We can put here our diesel tank fuel. And guys, we can show you complete generator overview. You can watch our videos. If you want to get technical knowledge, then keep watching our videos. Subscribe to our channel and like and press the bell icon so that we can send you the next video. Guys, Allah Hafiz, goodbye.